Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I'll show you which format is actually you should need to use. Like there's two format while make a bootable USB. One is MBR and the second one is GPT. Now first of all you need a tool, an ISO file plus 8 GB USB. For Windows 10 or Windows 11 you should need these things, because without these things you cannot make a bootable USB drive. I hope you understand these things. Now what you need to do once you open the Rufus software, let me show you here. I have downloaded a Rufus software. Okay, let me find it. Software programs, and here is the Rufus software. Okay, once you open this, now as you can see here, this is my USB 32 GB. Now it's on you. You can use 8 GB, 16 or whatever, but make sure above than 4 GB. And then you need to select here the disk or ISO image, because we are using ISO file to make a bootable USB pen or pen drive. Now once you select here, you need to select ISO file where you have downloaded. Just go ahead, select that file, and now here you can see MBR and GPT. Basically the older PCs comes with legacy hardware technology. Now legacy support MBR. Now MBR and legacy is a combination, like a video player. It's an example actually. A video player can play only videos file, not MP3 files, and MP3 media player can play only MP3 files, not video files like MP4 or AVI, something like that. Like MP3 is only for MP3 media players or audio files. So this is the same thing here. Now legacy is a hardware and it's a old technology. It support only MBR format, and a new technology called UEFI that actually support GPT. Now you need to click here on partition scheme. Right now it's not working for me because I don't have a ISO file and I cannot select ISO file here. That's why it's not working. But in your case you can simply select here. Once you select ISO file, it will work for you. You can just click here, drag it, and you can select for GPT or MBR. Now if you don't know does your PC support GPT or MBR, like you don't know about these things, then simply system information. Okay, let's go into the system information. Once you here, now it's saying you need to go into the BIOS. Okay, we need to find here the BIOS version. It's on the BIOS mode. As you can see here, BIOS mode UEFI. So that's mean I have already installed the UEFI mode, so you can install UEFI as well. Now simply you need to select here the UEFI in Rufus. Just click here, select UEFI, and then simply click on start. Your USB will start booting the start making the bootable USB pen drive, and that's it. Then you need to restart your PC. It will say that press any key, and when you press any key it will start installation process. So this is the easiest way guys you can install Windows in new PC or older PC. That's the simple way. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, support me. I'll make more tutorials for you. If you need help, you can join our Discord. As you can see here, Bullet official link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, join it. And then there are a lot of people are commenting here. Recently I got this comment, and there's a lot of above. So the first way, you can just comment here. I'll respond you, or other members will mention me as well, or if they know, they will respond you how to solve your issues. Or you can just DM me. Here is my Austin Blade ID. Just right click on it and you can simply text me, message me. Okay, the second fast way is you can simply see here Windows Fixer, the chat room. Just click here and type your problem, then I'll text you, I'll DM you, and you need to join any lobby. I'll drag you into the Windows Fixer log lobby, and then I'll guide you further related to your problem. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll guide you. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.